Hey there, good afternoon. Welcome to Cooking with Dave. I'm your host, Dave. Today we're going to make some smoked cheeseburgers, and then we're going to kick it up a little bit and put some samba sauce in there and bring it to the next level. So, what we got here, I have about 2 pounds of 80/20 ground beef. I got some onions chopped up, and I got some seasoning. I'm going to go ahead and mix this up, and then we're going to put the samba sauce in there, and we're going to get them on the grill and smoke them. Put the onions in there first. And here I have some salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and some of that sweet and smoky, and some paprika in there. Do about a nice healthy pinch. A little bit extra for for those who like that, a little bit extra. And work your meat. I got the samba sauce here. Now, I'm thinking 2 tablespoons should give you a good amount of heat. And you know what? The hell. Live dangerously. Let's go with 3. Alright, 3 tablespoons of that. And we'll get them on the smoker. Now, today, I'm using my Pitbull smoker. I'm using the hardwood competition blend. I have my smoker set at 200 degrees just for smoke. I want to get that good smoky flavor in there. Alright, just like that. Get it nice and incorporated. I want to get that flavor throughout all that ground beef. Oh, if you can smell it though, that samba sauce, that has a flavor all its own. Alright. Now what we'll do is, I got big hands, so nice handful like that. Roll it up. Set it to the side. Set it to the side. And now you want to lay it over top of the fire, where the most heat is. So right there is where the most heat is. Like that. Right like that. Alright. And one more. Like that. Alright. When we come back, we'll check them. Figuring about 10-15 minutes on each side. When we come back, we'll flip them and we'll get these things prepped. See you when we get back. Oh, nice. Nice color. Very nice. Alright. Alright, so we're back. Go ahead and take one of these off. Put a little toast on the bun there. Nice melted cheddar cheese. Bottom. Smell that samba sauce. Alright. That looks delicious. Anyway, so you're asking yourself, what about the other 3 burgers? Well, there's a part 2 coming. So you have to look for it tomorrow. Alright? Make sure you like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And before we go, let's have a bite, see how good we did. Get that nice little heat from the samba. Onions still a little crunchy, which are good. Lettuce, tomato, just perfect. Anyhow, there's your smoked cheeseburger. And like I said, look for part 2. And I'm telling you, you don't want to miss it. It's going to be great. God bless. Happy New Year. And let's go, Brandon.